Okay, today I'm going to show you how to make chicken salad for chicken salad sandwiches. It's really easy, only takes a second, and pretty tasty. So what you need are 4 cups of shredded chicken breast that's been chopped up, and 3/4 a cup of mayonnaise, and 1/4 cup of sour cream, and then some tomatoes for the sandwiches, some buns. I'm using a brioche bun, which are pretty delicious. And then you need 1/2 cup of dried cranberries and 1/2 cup of pistachios, and a 1/2 tablespoon of sugar, which I have right here. And you're also going to need 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, which I'll get out of the cooler. So basically, first you take your bowl and you mix together the mayonnaise and the sour cream, and then add the sugar and lemon juice and mix that till it's combined. So let's do that. So I'm mixing the sour cream and the mayonnaise together. The recipe says to whisk it. Well, I don't have a whisk, so I'm just using a spoon, but I don't think that makes a big difference. And then once that's mixed together, you add the 1/2 tablespoon of sugar and the 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. So let's do that now. Okay, I just added the sugar, there's the lemon juice, and then you mix that together until that's combined. I've never heard of a chicken salad recipe that uses sour cream and lemon juice and sugar, as well as pistachios and cranberries. So this should be pretty good. I've never made it before, but I think it's just the sound of all the ingredients mixed together. It sounds like it's going to be really delicious. So then the next step is you add the chicken. Let's do that. So there's the chicken. I almost need a bigger bowl. So you mix all that together with the other ingredients, the sour cream and mayonnaise. And let me go ahead and do that, and I'll come back when it's totally mixed together. So once the chicken's been thoroughly mixed with the sour cream, mayonnaise, and the other 2 ingredients, then you add your pistachios and your dried cranberries and stir those in, and then add a little bit of salt and pepper to your taste, and that's it. So let's do that. Let's add the pistachio nuts and the cranberries. So there's the cranberries and pistachios. Let's give it a good mix. I need 2 hands to do this. I'll be back in a second. So I already added the pistachios and cranberries and a little bit of salt and pepper to your taste, and that's it. It's all been mixed up, and that's what it looks like. So I'm going to pile it high on one of these brioche buns with some tomatoes. I brought lettuce, but it didn't survive the trip in the cooler. It kind of wilted and went bad, so I don't have any lettuce. So just tomatoes on this chicken salad sandwich, but you really should serve it with tomatoes and lettuce. So let's build the sandwich, and you can see what it looks like. So there's the sandwich. Check out that detail. Look at the chicken salad with the pistachios and the cranberries in it, dried cranberries. And there's the 2 tomato slices without the lettuce, unfortunately. And that's it. So that's how you make chicken salad. Pretty easy out here in the desert.